In this exercise, we'll solve the radical equation, the square root of 6x plus 13 equals x plus 3. Now I have one radical in this equation, and it is isolated on one side of the equal sign, so I can just begin by using the principle of squaring, and I can square both sides of the equation. So I have the square root of 6x plus 13 squared, and that's equal to the quantity x plus 3 squared. On the left-hand side, the square root of 6x plus 13 squared is 6x plus 13. And on the right side, squaring this binomial, I get x squared plus 6x plus 9. Now I've got a quadratic equation, so I want to write a 0 on one side. And I can do that if I subtract 6x on both sides and if I also subtract 13 on both sides. When I do that, I have 0 on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, I have x squared. And when I subtract 6x over here, I get 0x, or 0. And when I subtract 13 on the right-hand side, I get 9 minus 13, or negative 4. Now I can factor x squared minus 4, that's x plus 2 times x minus 2. And now I can use the principle of zero products. If this product is 0, then x plus 2 equals 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Solving this equation, I get x equals negative 2, and this gives me x equals 2. And if I take each of these values for x and substitute it back in the original equation, I find that each one gives a true equation. So both of these numbers check, and we can say the solutions are negative 2 and 2.